Hey, Scott here. Today we're reviewing a Salisbury, North Carolina based heat and air company that we've turned inside and out, providing local residents a helpful industry review of Beaver Brothers. Mike Beaver and all the guys there are amongst one of the most respected owners in the heating and air conditioning industry, and this company grades out with excellent marks across the board for outstanding customer support, reputable reviews and testimonials, and much more. So if you live in Salisbury, China Grove, Landis, Rockwell, Granite Quarry, Davidson, Cornelius, and Huntersville areas, and you need heating and air conditioning services, including repairs and installations, check out Beaver Brothers. From amongst 100 plus HVAC contractors in your area, Beaver Brothers is the only company receiving our seal of industry excellence. To learn more about Beaver Brothers, check out their details below and give them a call today. Again, congratulations to Mike Beaver and their entire team.